Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with another craft fair project idea. These are some items that I made for my craft fair, and I did make several of them, but I only brought a few on camera just to share with you, but wanted to give you some inspiration, so I hope you're inspired. All right, I'm gonna start with this little treat box right here. I think it came out absolutely adorable. What I did was I had purchased these chipboard glitter, red glitter chipboard die cuts from Tuesday Morning, and then I layered it with a rosette and a stitched heart die cut, and then I used this word Mary, and this is another die that I used from my stash, and I die cut the hearts and the Mary several times to make several to sell. And then what I did for the rosette, instead of die cutting rosettes, I actually used my brother's scan and cut, and I used a free cut file that I had found, and I duplicated the rosette as many times as I could put it on a 12 by 12 piece of paper. So I made several rosettes using the Brothers Scan and Cut, so I did not have to sit there and die cut 100 rosettes, which I absolutely love and highly recommend you doing if you have an electronic cutting machine. What else? The plastic container that you're looking at, I did pick up off of an Etsy shop, and I can leave that information down below. I did also find some clear plastic containers off of Ally for a great price. So if you're doing craft fairs, you may want to look at both options, just depending on how much you want to sell your items for and, you know, the price point that you're trying to stay at. But I just went ahead and picked these ones up off of Etsy because I wanted to get them super fast, and you know, if I plan on doing it next year, I might do it more economical and go a cheaper route. But anyway, I filled it up with M&Ms, and I just went to Sam's Club and bought a big bag of Christmas M&Ms, and I think these came out so adorable. I love how shimmery and shiny it is, and I think these would be so super cute to stick in a stocking. So I'm gonna be labeling it stocking stuffer, but obviously can you just give it to a friend or a coworker or, you know, a neighbor as well. So love the way that this came out. And then the next one that I made, I think came out absolutely adorable as well. And this one actually was inspired by a Pinterest post that I saw. And so what I did was I used this plastic ornament from Dollar Tree, and then I layered it with a Sizzix rosette. I did die cut out all of these rosettes for this particular project. And then I used a heart punch to punch out the heart, and then I went on my computer and just typed out Merry Christmas, and I just used my paper trimmer and cut it and did the little flag myself. I just figured that would be the quickest way to do it since I was mass producing several of these embellishments for the little clear container. And again, it's the same clear container, and I do plan on putting some type of white candy in this box so that it will kind of match the colors. So I'm hoping to find some type of white Christmas candy, and I'll be doing that before the craft fair, obviously, but really, really cute. I think it came out so cute. The font kind of reminds me of like that Ray Dunn font, and I love it. I love the way it came out. The Sizzix dies that I used, I'll link it down below in case you're wondering. I did pick it up off of Amazon, and it comes with 3 different rosette dies. So really, really pretty, and I'm loving that die set because I just recently picked it up. So anyway, this is my craft fair project share. I hope that you are inspired. Please leave me a comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.